Unleash your bravery, understanding, muster your courage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're exploring an inspiring phrase that you've probably heard in movies, books, or speeches. Muster your courage. Stick with us as we unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Muster your courage is a phrase that means to gather or summon all of your bravery and strength to face a challenging situation, fear, or difficulty. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a high diving board, afraid to jump into the pool below. Mustering your courage would mean overcoming that fear, preparing yourself mentally, and finally making the leap. It's about finding the inner strength you didn't know you had, to do something that scares you or seems very hard. The word, muster, originally comes from the military, where it means to assemble troops, typically for inspection in preparation for battle. Over time, this concept of gathering together was applied more broadly, not just to soldiers, but to gathering one's thoughts, strength, or in this case, courage. So, when you muster your courage, you're essentially assembling your bravery to prepare for a personal battle or challenge. Using muster your courage in your daily language can add a layer of drama or seriousness to what you're saying. It's especially useful in motivational contexts or when you're encouraging someone, or yourself, to face fears or take on challenges. For example, I know you're nervous about the job interview, but you just have to muster your courage and do it. After months of hesitation, I finally mustered the courage to start my own business. You'll often find this phrase used in literature and movies to describe a character's internal struggle before they take a significant action. It highlights moments of transformation and decision, making it a powerful tool for storytelling. By recognizing this phrase in various contexts, you'll deepen your understanding of its nuances and the emotional weight it can carry. Muster your courage is more than just an everyday expression. It's a call to action, a challenge to confront what we fear, and a reminder of the strength that lies within us all. We hope this exploration helps you grasp the phrase's depth and inspires you to use it when you need that extra push. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every step in learning English opens up new worlds of opportunity and understanding. Keep mustering your courage in your language learning journey, and see where it takes you.